The red horse is granted to take peace from the hearts of mankind. What a horrible thought. We have enough trouble getting it in. Now we have a society, a social movement that takes the love of man out of his heart so that it's not there. It's given a great sword. And what does it say? It says, men killing one another. It's not nations killing one another. It's neighbors killing one another. It's fathers killing sons and daughters killing mothers. That's what the Bible says. The red horse representative of the society.